Hello everyone! Today I want to have a look at learning toys and how you can get creative with your learning. This video is going to have a bit of a cube theme. I originally thought that I wanted to get my grandson something to play with to develop some creative play learning. And I thought about cubes, because cubes are a very important mathematical concept. They're a 3D geometrical shape that every child should explore. And if you're talking about cubes with your child, you should talk about the important properties. Every cube has got 6 faces, it's got 8 vertices, that's corners, and it's got 12 edges. The edges are all the same length, and the faces are all the same size. Of course, there are dice. Everybody knows about dice. You've got letter dice, number dice, and you can create some exciting, interesting learning and games with dice. If you want to know more about dice, I mentioned dice in our subitizing video, and have a look at that. But now I want to look at something a little bit different. I've been shopping at the childmindingshop.co.uk online, and I found these. They're little foam cubes with pockets on each face so that you can change what the faces look like. And you've got little cards to put in, which are letter cards giving you phonics and initial sounds with pictures. And you can change them for cards that have got numbers on and pictures to help create some inventive games. Then I found these Zabuku cubes. They're cube books with 12 pages on them apparently. There's 6 inside and 6 outside, and they're based on a puzzle, like a Rubik's Cube puzzle, and we'll have a closer look at how they work later on. But you can get all sorts of Zabuku cube books. You've got these, which are number cubes, so you can explore number. And then you get ones with letters on, so you can explore phonics and letter sounds because you've got the pictures to help produce the phonics. And then you've got all sorts of topic type cubes, which have got topics like this one, which is the planets. And we're going to have a closer look in a minute, just how they work. So let's first have a look at these foam cubes that have got the little pockets in them. And we're going to look at the initial picture sound cards that go with it. So we're going to set our cubes up. One cube we're going to put 6 letters in, A through to F. So I'll finish up putting in the A here. That sets that cube up. And then the other cube, you put the matching pictures in that suit. And we put the pictures in this cube. And so eventually you will have an A there that matches with the A for apple. So the beauty about cubes is that you can actually play all sorts of games, and I'm sure you can create many of your own that involve the element of chance. You've got a 6-to-1 chance of drawing a face. So one person throws the cube, and here we have the D, and the other person tries to match that cube, and I've done it straight away, D for duck, so I win. And that's the letter sounds. So let's have a look what happens with the number. Here we have the numbers 1 through to 10, and there are matching cards. So you can see that the cards have animals on them with the correct number of animals. There's 5 monkeys. So you can then load your cubes with pictures that match the numbers and create all sorts of games. Let's have a look at these cube books. It's like you're reading a book, learning your numbers in this case, for example, but you're actually playing with a cube. Let's have a look at this one. Each cube has a green dot to start on the first page, and you can go through and see 6 pages. And you can see this is the numbers with the corresponding number of animals. Each page you can spot the difference. On the 6 here, you've got 6 mice, and this little mouse has got a pink ear. When you get to the red dot, you play with the cube, you open the cube up, and you've got another 6 pages. And you can see and spot the difference with all these numbers until you get to 12. With the letter cubes, you've got a starting point there, A, and you can go through the alphabet with all the pictures, and of course when you get to the end you open up the cube and you get some more letters on the other 6 pages till you get right through to Z. And this topic cube tells you about the planets, and you've got 6 pages here giving you lots of facts about planets. And then the playing side is that you can play with the cube, opening it out to give you another 6 pages about more key facts on the planets. Now, I've got these cubes from the childminingshop.co.uk, and I use them because the proprietor, the lovely Debbie, was easy to get hold of, plenty of help on the phone. All her resources have the CE safety mark on them. If you want to get your resources from the childminingshop.co.uk, follow the links below. And the other thing that Debbie has given us is a promo code that you can get from our website, which will give you a small discount. Go and get yourself some cubes and develop some really creative learning games. If you've got any questions and you're watching on YouTube, you can leave a comment below, and don't forget to give us a like, or you can get a hold of us on email through our website. I want to say thanks for your support and thanks for watching, because we couldn't do any of this without you. So until next time, goodbye. Well, of course, we know that they are the patterns on the faces of a dice that tell you the number. But there's something special going on here.